In this video, I'll walk you through the overall structure of the specification system, starting from the master data level down to how a project is generated and managed. At the top of the system, we have the master specification library. This is the global reference database that contains all predefined categories, subcategories, and specification codes. Think of this as the controlled template library. It does not belong to any specific project. Instead, it serves as the source for generating project-specific specifications. This ensures consistency, standardization, and scalability across multiple projects. When a new project is created, the system does not immediately generate specifications. Instead, the project first goes through a setup stage. The project acts as a container. Inside the project, we define project categories, project levels, project areas, and project spec. During this setup phase, the user selects and defines which categories apply to the project, which building levels are included, which specific areas or rooms exist. This stage defines the project scope structure before any specifications are generated. Once the setup is complete, the system uses the master spec library and combines it with the selected categories, the defined levels, the defined areas. Each project specification entry contains the spec code, category and subcategory, vendor and product information, requirement level, client approval status, and internal notes. These specifications are now project-specific and can be adjusted without affecting the master library. This approach ensures standardization from a master database, flexibility at the project level, clear separation between template and execution.